So guys, right now, napabili ako ng Gomo SIM just to make this tutorial on how to register your Gomo SIM for the SIM card registration app. And of course, this is just a pretty new SIM. So malalaman naman natin kung how we'll be able to register a new SIM under this new law. Simulan natin. Hi guys, I'm Pastor from the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So this is the Gomo SIM. So I have here, and nabili ko to for 399 pesos with a 30 gigs of data with no expiry. But weird enough, dahil nag-expire ang aking Gomo SIM before. And ito nakuha ko is a 5G SIM. So buksan natin. Bagong-bago pa siya. Kung hindi kayo marunong, actually pwede nyo i-scan to know how to activate your SIM card. But if you watch this video, you don't need to scan it. So, hawak na natin ang ating Gomo SIM, which is pretty brand new. Tanggalin ko lang siya, no? Dahil mine is a nano SIM. So, I'll be getting a nano SIM. Kailangan natin mabuti ang SIM card sa SIM tray. Ganito. And ibalik sa phone. So, sabi ko sa inyo guys, si Gomo is under Globe. So, tatanungin niyo siya kung anong APN na gagamitin mo, Globe Postpaid or Globe Prepaid. Malamang Prepaid. So, ang next step mo is kailangan mo i-download ang Gomo PH na app. So, nandyan sa Huawei App Gallery, sa Google Play Store, and of course, sa Apple App Store. Open natin. So, this is the first step. Kailangan mo i-enter ang mobile number mo. The mobile number is normally printed at the back of your card. After mo ma-enter ang number, let's go. So, sasabihin niya sa'yo, i-insert mo, and yun lang. Ganun kasimple lang. So, nagsisend siya ng OTP pin sa'yo. So, i-key in mo lang ang iyong OTP pin para mag-proceed. So, after mo ipasok yung OTP pin, tatanungin siya first name, last name, nickname mo, gender, email address, and ang iyong birthday. So, after mo ma-fill up everything, just agree and create account. After that, kailangan mo mag-create ng sarili mong pin, then tutuloy na siya. Pwede mo gamitin to or pwede mo skip. I'll skip it for now. So, right now, nakatanggap na tayo ng 30 gig of local data na dahil sa successful na account creation. So, just get started. Itong app na to is more of to let you have full control of your SIM. So, right now, binabasa natin itong advisory. As an existing customer, your SIM is considered substantially registered from account creation. So, no need to do anything for now. So, yan ang sabi ni Gomo dito sa app na ito. And checking this poster from its official Facebook page, ang SIM Registration Act Advisory ng Gomo. Basically, if you're already on Gomo, you're considered substantially registered from the time that you created your account sa Gomo PH na app. All you need to do is make sure na tama yung account. All you need to do is just make sure na your account info is correct, and we'll let you know in time kung kailan mo i-upload ang iyong valid ID ng government. And we'll let you know when it's time to update yung information ninyo and uploading ng valid ID nyo na issued by the government. So guys, basically that's how to register a Gomo SIM. You'll be waiting for more advisory from Gomo in the near future. So guys, if you have friends na naka-Gomo SIM, do share this video para alam nila paano i-register ang kanilang Gomo SIM. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin bell icon para hindi na miss sa future uploads dito sa aking channel. And ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watcha!